Replacing your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make in your Columbia home. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, aesthetics, or better functionality, a smooth replacement process ensures minimal disruption and maximum value. This step-by-step guide is designed to walk you through the entire window replacement journey with clarity and confidence. Step 1. Evaluate your window needs. Start by assessing the condition and performance of your current windows. Are they drafty? Difficult to open? Foggy between the panes? Do they clash with the style of your home? Understanding your reasons for replacing them helps you set goals for the project, whether that's better insulation, improved curb appeal, or enhanced safety. Create a list of priorities. Energy efficiency, low maintenance noise reduction, cost effectiveness, aesthetic preferences. This self-evaluation helps you communicate clearly with contractors later. Step 2. Research and select window type. Columbia homeowners have a variety of window styles to choose from. Double-hung windows, easy to clean and ventilate. Casement windows, crank-out design ideal for ventilation. Sliding windows, great for wide spaces and modern homes. Picture windows, fixed windows that offer beautiful views. Also, consider materials: vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or composite. Each offers different benefits in terms of insulation, cost, and maintenance. Step 3. Find a trusted window contractor in Columbia. Look for a contractor with a strong local reputation. Check online reviews and rating, proof of licensing and insurance, experience with homes in Columbia's climate, the portfolio of previous projects. Request at least 3 in-home consultations to compare quotes, timelines, and communication styles. A reputable contractor should provide a clear estimate, explain the product options, and answer all your questions. Step 4. Finalize your window choices. Once you've chosen a contractor, work with them to select the exact windows that meet your needs and budget. Consider glass options like low-E coatings or double, triple pane, frame color and finish, grid style, hardware feature. Your contractor will take precise measurements to ensure a perfect custom fit for each window opening. Step 5. Schedule installation. Coordinate an installation date that works for your schedule. Most standard window replacement jobs in Columbia take 1 to 3 days depending on the number of windows and any structural adjustments. To prepare, move furniture away from window areas. Take down blinds, curtains, or wall decor near windows. Disarm security sensors. Create a clear path for installers. These small actions speed up the process and reduce risk of damage. Step 6. Installation day. Professional installers will begin by removing the old windows carefully and preparing the frames. They'll install the new windows, insulate any gaps, secure the frame, and ensure everything is level and sealed. Expect some noise and dust, but good installers will work quickly and clean up thoroughly afterward. Walk through the work area with the crew leader to inspect progress and ask questions. Step 7. Post-installation inspection and care. After installation, your contractor should review operation of each window, how to lock, unlock and clean the warranty terms, maintenance tips. Do a final walkthrough and ensure everything looks and functions as promised. If something feels off, bring it up immediately. Enjoy the benefit with new windows in place. You'll quickly notice a difference. Lower utility bills due to improved insulation, quieter indoor environment, enhanced curb appeal, easier functionality and cleaning. The smooth window replacement process in Colombia comes down to preparation, clear communication, and working with the right professionals. Follow these steps, and you'll enjoy the transformation your home deserves.